How Elon Musk became the world's richest person overnight. Hello everyone and welcome back to Top Money. Who said it's impossible to become the world's richest person overnight? Elon Musk literally did it when no one expected. Now his net worth is more than $186 billion and he left Jeff Bezos behind. Today we're going to be talking about how Elon Musk became the world's richest person overnight. Make sure you stay until the end because this information is really incredible. Jeff Bezos has been the richest person since 2017, and his current net worth is about $190 billion. Musk passed Warren Buffett in July to become the 7th richest person. In November, Musk raced past Bill Gates to become the 2nd richest person. Musk has gained more wealth over the past 12 months than Gates' entire net worth of $132 billion. But no one expected that Musk will pass Jeff Bezos this fast. Musk's wealth over the past year marks the fastest rise to the top of the rich list in history, and is a dramatic financial turnaround because just 18 months ago, Musk was in the headlines for Tesla's rapid cash burn and his personal leverage against the company's stock. How strange. While many global companies are facing big problems due to losses during the pandemic, Tesla and SpaceX are experiencing incredible growth. Tesla's rocketing share price, which has increased more than ninefold over the past year, and its generous pay package have added more than $150 billion to Elon Musk's net worth. Tesla's shares closed at 860, up nearly 8%. The company's market value has grown to more than $760 billion. In typical Musk fashion, Elon responded to the news to a Twitter user, who wrote, "Elon Musk is now the richest person in the world, at $190 billion, with his trademark wry wit saying, 'How strange.'" Then he pinned an older tweet to the top of his feed which offered further insight into his thoughts on personal wealth. About half my money is intended to help problems on Earth, and half to help establish a self-sustaining city on Mars to ensure continuation of life of all species, in case Earth gets hit by a meteor like the dinosaurs or World War III happens and we destroy ourselves. Talking about Tesla's share price now sits at $850 per share, up from $67 just a year ago. Moreover, it has been said that many analysts predict that in the near future, share prices of the auto manufacturer could jump past the $1,000 mark. But to make it happen, various planned gigafactories need to become operational. However, continuing demand of Tesla's cars, along with the brand's market improvements in producing cars at a rapid rate, have done to Elon Musk's personal wealth what putting your foot down in a Model S will do to your adrenal levels. By August, he had been named the world's 4th richest person. And overnight, another surge in Tesla's share price overnight added $7.2 billion to Elon Musk's net worth, taking it to a total of $127.9 billion. Moreover, Democratic-controlled US policies are a good option for Elon Musk and his business. Daniel Oves, an analyst with Wedbush Securities, wrote, "A blue Senate is very bullish and a potential game-changer for Tesla and the overall electric vehicle sector, with a more green-driven agenda now certainly in the cards for the next few years. It means that it should be expected that the electrical vehicle tax credits would benefit Tesla, which continues to have an iron grip on the market today," he added. It's not strange that analysts foretell Elon Musk and his company's a bright future. They say that most of his major businesses are expected to grow, especially Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company. Elon Musk versus Jeff Bezos. Elon Musk entered 2020 as the world's 35th richest man. The bulk of his wealth made up of Tesla shares that, at the time at least, weren't quite as good as they are today. By August 2020, he'd been named the world's 4th richest person. Then just in the end of 2020, having overtaken Bill Gates, he became the 2nd richest person. But now he's even overtook Jeff Bezos, and he actually did that overnight. As it was already said, Jeff Bezos has been taking the world's richest person spot till 2017. But Mr. Jeff Bezos has also seen his fortunes rise over the past year. The coronavirus pandemic has meant Amazon benefited from stronger demand for both its online stores and cloud commuting services. However, he gave a 4% stake in the business to his ex-wife Mackenzie Scott after they split, which helped Mr. Musk overtake him. In addition, the threat of regulation has meant Amazon's stock has not risen as high as it might otherwise have done. However, it is the fact that Tesla's share price has increased more than 7-fold in the past year that has sent Elon Musk's fortune rocketing past that of Jeff Bezos. After Tesla hit a market valuation of $700 billion for the first time, making the company worth more than heavy hitters like Toyota, Volkswagen, Hyundai, GM, and Ford combined. To stay up on the world's first place of the richest, Elon Musk will have to show within the next 5 years that Tesla can make profit than just about the whole of the rest of the motor industry combined to justify the valuation. Elon Musk eclipsing Jeff Bezos on extravagant personal wealth marks the latest development in a years-long rivalry between two magnates. Let's compare their achievements. It's been a record-breaking year for both bosses. Jeff Bezos added $13 billion to his net worth on July 20, 2020, which is believed to be the largest earnings for an individual in a single day. While Elon Musk's quadrupling in fortune over the last 7 months is believed to be the fastest wealth accumulation in history. Jeff Bezos' company's value passed the $1 trillion mark for the first time last May. He holds a 10.6% stake. Elon Musk owns 20% of Tesla's shares, which surged eightfold last year as the company overtook Toyota to become the world's most valuable car maker. Its stock shot 6% following the Democrats winning the Senate, with hopes that Joe Biden will give tax breaks to electric car owners. Talking about being in space, these two also have some challenges ahead. Jeff Bezos was the first to launch his own rocket manufacturer, Blue Origin, in 2000. He dreams of enabling millions of humans to live in space on affordable shuttles, with a ticket price of $200,000 per passenger, less than half of Elon Musk's estimated $500,000 ticket cost. The Tesla boss founded his space exploration company SpaceX in 2002, and the battle between the billionaires has since gone intergalactic, clashing over rocket size. Jeff Bezos wins. The exclusive use of a NASA launch pad, Elon Musk wins. And being the first private company to place a person into orbit, Elon Musk wins again. Yes, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have traded barbs about their rockets, and even fought over hallowed NASA real estate. Eventually, as it was just said, SpaceX won NASA's nod to take over historic launch pad 32A, and SpaceX is only over 2 companies to reach orbit successfully. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos both stress that reusable spaceflight systems are key to achieving grand ambitions. The two billionaires have traded jabs about each other's systems and reusability milestones in the past, so any competitive feelings evoked by Elon Musk's ascension to the billionaire top spot would not be entirely new. Elon Musk's stocks are continuing to grow, especially after signing a major 10-year compensation package with the company in 2018 that further tied his earnings to Tesla's stock price and revenue goals. The first tranche that Elon Musk received earlier in this year was $900 billion. Like most billionaires, Elon Musk had only seen his wealth increase during the pandemic, but unlike the billionaires, he claimed in court to be bankrupt. In 2020, he even tweeted, "I'm selling almost all physical possessions. Will own no house." He said he wanted to get rid of all the mansions he has to give all the money back to his companies, like he already did in 2018. Elon Musk invested almost $100 million into the boring company. He's always using his personal wealth to fund it in businesses to make even more money. For example, after becoming a millionaire, running Zip2 and PayPal, he funded in Tesla and SpaceX. But we can only guess Musk's plans for the future. The colony on Mars, or will he go further? Let me know what you think the future holds for Musk by leaving a comment below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Money and turn on those post notifications. See you soon in the next video.